And it seemed like a good day to get out and do some flying. So I went back to the park and tested a few more features. One of them being how much is seen when the camera pans straight down. And when I did pan straight down, I was able to see more than directly below me. I was also able to see a few degrees beyond that. But apart from that, the I think you call it aliasing when it looks like stair steps appeared to be quite a problem. When you get the camera pointed in extreme angles, the interlace gets so that it makes stair steps. And I'm not sure if that's interlacing the video itself or aliasing, but for now, let's just call it alias. Anyway, so I don't know how I got out of crashing a couple of times. One time in particular, as I went down into some trees, I thought I was well above them from the angle I was standing across the park. But boy, I went right between the tops of two of them. And as soon as I saw it disappear behind him, I gave it some Z-axis so I could get back away from him. So enjoy the video.
Much